y'all?
Oh, good.
I did good, baby?
Did good. So
All right. He said that's what he needs, and that's what I need. You hear me?
See, Damien deserves it with the KOAs out in advance. But the problem is that if you run late, you run into traffic, now you're late. You know what I mean?
You can't get in.
So some aren't open.
Some aren't open. So that's why I'm a good first mate. So basically what we doing, guys, is we're going to go. I'm not going to, you know what, I thought about that, babe. So I ain't going to just say, because my family know. My loved ones know. They can reach out to me. But I'm not going to just boom, 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 you know, say everywhere we're going. But, it's stunning. Yeah, so we, you know, we figured out that we're not going to be able to make it out of Texas today. All right.
What roads?
Poquito. But it's okay. Look at Brooklyn. She said, get these windows down, all this damn rapping and shit. So, see, I got the mount up. We got the mount in a new place. How you like it, baby? You can see half the babe's face.
Yep.
And half of, you know. Hey! Oh, babe, look at what you did to the speaker.
What?
You did this.
What? Did what? Oh, shit. How'd that happen?
Oh, look at all that.
What is it?
I don't know what that is.
Let's see if it wipes off. Shit. What is that?
Oh, I think I know what it is. It's from this.
From the rubbing?
Yeah, it come right off.
Oh. You did it.
Hey, Brookie! I did do it, but it ain't nothing but chocolate. Alright, so guys, so as the first mate, now the first mate, I'm talking boat talk now with the first mate. But see, look, baby, it's just wiping right off my pants. Once we get to the site, I'm gonna plug it up and we gonna turn up. Let me take the burgers out so they can be thawed out, you think? Because they're in the freezer.
Yeah, you could. But normally you can cook them frozen and just leave them on. If you want to take it out.
I was going to say, babe, no.
They're not going to thaw that much. No.
They ain't going to thaw that much. You got the directions to where we going, babe. Yeah. Turn it up. You got it. There you go.
Interruptions. At the end of your free trial, you can either cancel or keep listening without ads or just buy possible. The best deals out there for now.
In 2 miles, take exit.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be good just for one.
You gonna get out and use the bathroom, Brooklyn. She's circling around. You got these training pass right here. You used to these.
We're gonna be here, sure.
We're gonna be there at 1.5 miles.
1.3.
1.2 now.
We get no percent of that.
We get. Hey, that's my girl right there, y'all. Stevie Nicks. Hey, what's she talking about, babe? See, if I put it like that, they can see your tattoo, babe. Hey!
One waving in the wind.
Waving in the wind, baby. So yes, as the
Use the right lane to take exit 157.
Not only did I find us a place to go tonight, it was only how many miles away, babe? 7 miles away. Babe said he tired. Okay? He tired.
Take the exit.
We about to stop. We about to get our look at the road. We about to stop. We about to get our grill out, plug up our stuff. The people, Krista, who I talked to, oh no, that was another dude. He said he was gonna be ready.
In 2.1 miles.
Okay. Yeah, no, because I done called a couple places. But nevertheless, like my pastor say, shout out to Pastor Reginald Steele and Pastor Kelly Steele, okay? Thank you for blessing me, keeping my head and my family covered. Oh, bless his name. So yeah, so we are on our way to the RV park. See the sign right there, baby?
Yep, 2 miles.
2 miles.